Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Roblox account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, click on the settings gear at the top right and click settings. And then next to password here, down here under login methods, you want to click this pencil here. And then you can type in your current password and your new password and click update. If you're logged out, you can try to access Roblox from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you're unable to log in, then you will need to reset your password. To reset your password, head over to the login page and click on Forgot Password or Username. And then you want to either enter in your email or your phone number, depending on what you link to your account. And click Submit. And do the verification. And then you want to go check your email for an email from Roblox about a password reset. So the subject of the email should be Roblox account password reset. And it should come from account@roblox.com. And if you verify that it does, you can click reset password. And then you can type in your new password and click submit. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email is changed, you want to head over to the Roblox support site, which is roblox.com/support. It's on your screen now and it will also be in the description. Also, if you got an email about an email change, usually Roblox would link the support link in the email. It should be under Contact Roblox Support, and you just click that hyperlink. And once you're on the support page, you want to go ahead and enter in your date of birth. And click continue. It should match the date of birth that was also on your account. And then here you want to go ahead and fill out the support form. And under email address, you should ideally use the email address that was previously linked to your account. And under issue details, you want to select the device that the problem is on. And under type of help category, you want to select account hacked or can't log in. And then under that, select account hacked. And then under description of issue, you can use the format that's in the description and tweak it to your situation here. And once you're all done filling out this form, you can click continue and wait for a response from Roblox support. Here are some tips on securing your Roblox account. Secure your email. Verify that the email and or phone number on the account belong to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere. And revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party logins. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, we do offer free account recovery help to assist you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we also provide multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. You can book an appointment using the link below or visit the website on your screen to recover and secure your account today. We will never ask for any personal account information or passwords. We just guide you through the recovery process. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.